Okay. This will reset the system. As soon as I flip this back, it's gonna stop flashing. Yeah, well, that's system test 3, everybody. But today, we're gonna be doing 2 things today. Not this system test 3, but we're also going in my room doing something. So I'll be showing off my tools today as well. So there's a tool in this drawer. We have an outlet tester with the yellow lights and the red light. GFCI tester as well. Now, I have to go get my other things. Wait. And then I have this LED exit sign. Exits that way, which is actually true. The exit is actually that way. Well, guys, I installed. I gotta measure everything. 2 inches and 4 inches and 2 millimeters. This one's straight. 4 inches and 2 millimeters. The switch itself is 2 feet. 2 feet and 10 inches. So we're gonna measure the demo board now. Somehow. I don't know how. We're gonna do this. We're gonna have to do the hard way, which is this way. I can't measure the full stick. How am I gonna do this? Actually, oh, from the side. I didn't think. 19 inches, 10 millimeters. And this is, by the way, wondering what that is. That's that. Now I can go test something. Well, the system test 3 is still running, by the way. I'm at 2! Oh.
Because he's doing a video.
So we're gonna pull this one again. Fire alarm, pull down.
What?
Oh, Jeremy's not part of the video. Fire alarm, pull down.
I don't.